Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and immediately set frame size and FPS so everything matches your deliverable. This prevents rework later. Once done, import your script pages, reference art, and scratch audio via drag and drop or file import. Make sure files go into labeled bins. You'll also create scene folders and name them consistently so you can find boards fast. This first setup lets you begin boarding without format surprises and keeps your timeline tidy as you build shots. You now block scenes with the camera and brush tools to establish staging and lens choices. Doing this early clarifies composition. Then draw key panels to capture major poses and duplicate frames to create breakdowns and in-betweens. This keeps motion readable. As you work, assign durations and fill the exposure sheet so timing is explicit. Play line tests often to hear pacing. By iterating panels and timing together, you avoid costly retakes and preserve the storytelling arc through precise visual. You finish by cleaning up lines, adding color flats if needed, and refining camera moves so the animatic reads clearly. Then run a test render to confirm look and sync. Once satisfied, export in the appropriate format, MP4 for review, TIFF sequence for finishing, or AIL for editorial handoff, using consistent naming. If things go wrong, first relink audio tracks and verify frame rates. Clear Storyboard Pro's cache and re-render if playback stutters. That troubleshooting step fixes most timing and sync headaches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.